Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about 10 ways to make money with an iPhone or Android. So keep watching and get more inspired by this video. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share for more update on making money online content, and if you are already a subscriber, kindly like, comment and share this video. In these days, technology has changed the way we live, the way we work, and the way we play. It has also changed the way many people make money. A growing number of people have started their own online businesses, hired themselves out as freelancers, or become successful bloggers, vloggers with large, devoted followings. No longer do you have to sit behind an office desk from 9 to 5 and make business transactions to earn a decent living. Technology has made us a society on the move. Every day, thousands of purchases are made on mobile devices. Work is done from coffee shops, hotels, airports, and homes. If you have an internet-connected computer or phone, you can literally make money from wherever you are. Here are 10 ideas to consider. 1. Sell your iPhone or Android photos. You probably don't want to sell your personal photos or selfies, but if you take a lot of general photos with your smartphone, e.g. nature scenes, sunrises and sunsets, cityscapes, food and drink, there are several stock image libraries that are willing to put your photos in front of paying customers. According to Rob Dunsford, more and more stock image libraries have realized that a great photo from an iPhone is still a great photo, even though it hasn't been taken with an expensive DSLR camera. Some of these forward-thinking libraries have created mobile apps which you can install on your iPhone or Android and use for adding filters or borders to your photos, sharpen your photos, and simplify the process of getting your photos into the stock image library. These apps also give you access to your library account where you can keep track of sales, rejections, and updates. A few of the stock image libraries that accept photos include Photo, the Moment app from Getty Images, the IM Market, Snapwire. For more ideas on how to take and sell smartphone photos, check out iPhonePhotographySchool.com. 2. Become a field agent by gathering information from stores. You can help companies improve how they serve their customers by using your iPhone or Android to collect photos, videos, and information from stores and other locations. Just download the Field Agent app, complete your agent profile, and then start working by finding jobs near you using the app's Jobs List or Map View. Once you select a job, you have less than 2 hours to complete it, so make sure you are close to the job's location. Jobs include price checks, in-store display checks, and consumer surveys. For example, you may be asked to go to a certain store, locate a specific product, take a photo of it, and then answer a few questions about it. Jobs usually pay between $3 and $12 each. The money stays in your field agent account until you decide to withdraw it through your PayPal or Dwolla account. 3. Become a tasker within your local area. Are you good at doing home chores such as cleaning, making repairs, moving things, or helping assemble furniture? If so, the TaskRabbit app can help you find local jobs that you love, at rates you choose, and on a schedule that fits your life. After you register, you will receive an invitation to attend a tasker onboarding or orientation session in your city. You can then start tasking by downloading the app and get notified of potential jobs in your area. Simply select the one you want to do, confirm details with your client, complete the work, submit your invoice, and get paid. 4. Earn money when you buy with Checkout 51. With Checkout 51 you can save and make money by buying the brands you love. All you have to do is pick the offers you like, purchase them at any store, and upload a photo of your receipt through the mobile app. When your account reaches $20, you can request your money, and Checkout 51 sends you a check. 5. Start a Gym Pact. If you like to get fit and stay healthy, the Gym Pact app uses cash stakes to help you stay on track with your exercise and health goals. Here's how it works. After you download the app, commit to a weekly Gym Pact, Veggie Pact, or Food Logging Pact, and set what you'll pay other pact members if you fail to reach it. Second, use the app to track your progress throughout the week. Third, earn real cash off pact members who don't meet their goals. Depending on the number of activities committed, rewards are generally between 30 cents to $5 per week. 6. Become a gigwalker. If you want to make a little spending money or earn a full paycheck, the Gigwalk app can help you. It provides an easy way for you to work when and where you want to, and start making money quickly. Once you download the app and register your account, you can start applying for gigs. After being accepted, just follow the gig instructions and submit your work directly in the app. Link your PayPal email to your Gigwalk account to get paid for the work you do. Gigs pay from $3 to $100 and can take from 5 minutes to a few hours to complete. 7. Sell items you no longer need. If you have items sitting in your garage or around your house that are in good condition, but no longer used, someone else might have a good use for them. Instead of holding a yard sale or dropping the items off at Goodwill, you can sell through an app with little to no fees. OfferUp and Mercari are two apps that make it easy to sell stuff. OfferUp provides a simple way for you to buy and sell locally. You can easily post your items for sale with just a picture from your smartphone, message users securely through the app, and get notified instantly on your phone when a buyer contacts you. Mercari provides a hassle-free and secure way for anyone to buy and sell items straight from a mobile device or tablet. You can sell clothes, electronics, fashion, jewelry, handmade items, and more by simply snapping a photo and entering a few details of your listing to make it available to millions on Mercari. A bonus for using Mercari is that they do not charge any listing or membership fees. 8. Put your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr is a global online marketplace that allows people to offer their skills and/or services beginning at a cost of $5 per job performed. With Fiverr's mobile app, potential customers can search through over 3 million gigs and 120 product and service categories to filter, preview, and find the right opportunity. Potential customers will have direct and instant access to your skills and/or services, can hire you in a single click, and give you feedback. The co-founder and CEO of Fiverr said the app is specially designed to make the best use of the iPhone's unique capabilities for a whole new level of discovery and engagement between sellers and buyers. The Fiverr app is also available for Androids. 9. Create an iPhone or Android app. Do you have a creative idea that you think people will enjoy and love? If so, developing an app is a quick and easy way to get your idea out to the public. If you aren't very tech-savvy, there are a good number of platforms that can assist you in creating your app. Here are a few services that can assist you. Mobile Roadie, Thrive, Good Barber, Appy Pie. To produce a more powerful incentive for people to buy and download your app, it may be best to create a freemium app. This is when you have a limited version and a premium version of your app. The limited version has basic features and can be downloaded for free. If people like the limited version of the app and want more of it, they can then buy and download the premium version of the app, which comes with more features and functionality. You can further monetize your app by including in-app purchases. For example, if you create a game app, you can require users to buy points or coins to reach the next level of the game. 10. Drive people around. You can use apps like Uber and Lyft to make money. Of course, you'll have to register and be accepted first. There are also some requirements you'll have to meet, such as owning a car, being 21 years old or older, having valid car insurance, and passing a background check. But once you're accepted, you can start making some serious money. With Lyft, you can make up to $35 an hour driving people around in your car. With Uber, average earnings per hour are around $19. Additionally, if you are a very good driver, you can earn tips. Here are those 10 ways to make money with your iPhone or Android, and if you want more on how to make money online video, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share, and if you already a subscriber, kindly like, comment and share for more content. Thanks for watching.